So, masquerade say guys, welcome back to statistics. Andika our worksheet 3. Tichaweka worksheet 3 rese kubva kwekutanga pa A1 kusvika pekupedzisira pa A11. Andika. So let's start A1. I hope tese tine worksheet zedu tikavhura worksheet zedu. A software engineer is comparing the execution time in milliseconds of 3 different search algorithms: linear search A, linear search B, and hash-based search C. Are we together? Across 5 independent test runs using data sets of equal size. Anditika, so tine algorithm A redu, tine algorithm B redu, tine algorithm C redu. Anditika, let's go to the question match. The assumed one-way analysis ANOVA module is Y is equals to mu plus wakumana wadina waramba ndudzo kuti kanonzo yachi E-I-J. Are we together? That's the what? That's the ANOVA module that we have. Explain all parameters used in the context of this problem. So we want to identify each and every parameter that we have in this what? In this model. Are we together? So let's start with Y-I-J. What does this mean? This means the observed execution time for the jth test run for J is equals to 1, 2, up to 5 of the ith algorithm, that is algorithm A, B, and C. That's what this means. Let's move on. Mu not in and it is the overall grand mean. Execution time across all 15 observations. 15 observations. Let's move on. This means the treatment effect, the treatment effect of the ith algorithm, Let's move on to the last one. Is the random error. The random error term for the jth observation, of the ith algorithm. Are we together? So this is the part A of our question. Moving on to part B. Part B Part B. Copy and complete the following ANOVA term. Are we together? Copy and complete the following ANOVA term. Chiona manje kuti izi zvinhu zvedu zvese izizi handitika takazvigadzira sei? Tazvigadzira pakuti zvonizo handitika ngatimbotangai tamboona kuti padataset redu rese iri timbobuditsa zvinhu zvatinazvo mudataset redu handitika timboona kuti zvii zvatinazvo mudataset redu rese zvichazotibatsira kuti tiite sei ticomplete chii this ANOVA table yedu. Number 1, we have what? Number of groups. Number of groups. Number of groups. Number of groups, we have how many number of groups? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 groups. Handika ano represent or ano denote kwa nani? Ano denote kwa na K. Handika that's the what? That's the statistical denotation yatinopa kuti ku number of groups yedu. Number 2, we have observations for each group. Observations. Observation for each group. How many observations for each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, n is equals to 5. Let's move on. How many total observations do we have? Total observations. Total observations is equals to 15. Total observations anodinotwa nani? Anodinotwa na capital letter N. Usazotinyorere kuti small letter n over what? 15. No. Anodinotwa na capital letter N is equals to what? Is equals to 15. Mira uzoona kuti capital letter N na N difference yawo iri papi patinenge takuzokompleta table yedu iyi. Let's move on. Total SS, which is equals to total SS 2149.3. We have the total DF, which is equals to 14. We have the treatment MS, which is equals to 1051.67. Are we together? Yes. Let's start to work step by step, man. Handitika ta extract the data redu ratinaro takufamba manje bichana chiona manje manangu. Yes. Degrees of freedom, DF, we need to find this DF is equals to K minus 1, which is equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Which means the treatment is what? The treatment is 2. Let's go to error. DF error is equals to what? Is equals to capital letter N minus K, which is equals to capital letter N where do we have 15. 15 minus K, number of groups, 3, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 12. Therefore, the degrees of what? Of here is 12. And if we add 2 and 12, we get 14. So we are correct. Now, let's calculate what? Sum of squares. Sum of squares. SS treatment. Which is equals to SS treatment. We need to find this. Which is equals to MS treatment times degrees of freedom treatment, which is equals to MS treatment 1051.67 times degrees of freedom of treatment 2, and what do we get? We get 21 0.34. Are we together? Yes. SS error is equals to what? Is equals to SS total minus SS treatment, which is equals to 2149.3 minus 2103.34, and we get a what? We get a 45.96. Now we need to find the mean of squares. Mean of squares. The mean of squares, MS error is equals to SS error over DF error, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 45.96 over 12, which is equals to 3.83. Now we need to find the F here. F test is equals to MS treatment over DF over MS error, over MS error, which is equals to MS treatment 1051.67 over MS error 3.83, which is equals to what? 274.59. Are we together? Yes. Let's fill in our numbers now. Here we have 274.59. Mundiregererawo peni yacho yakakureswa mheno senyaksi kuti vanga vachita sei apa. MS 3.83, we have got 3.83, anditya here we've got 2103.34, and here we've got 96. Are we together? So guys, this is how we calculate our what? Our ANOVA table. Doma calculate atumaita ANOVA table yedu yese ichi. But in some cases, say vakataura vakati kana usina kunzi create an ANOVA table, there's no need for you to create an ANOVA table. Are we together? Yes. Moving on to the next question. Bozo kuti awa pasati pane nyaya zvapo miraone takuzonopinda manje takuzonotanga kuweka manje nondizoti tangana dondisubiro mitambo. Question C. Test at the 5% level of significance if there is a significant difference in the mean execution times of the 3 search algorithms. Ukangoona pakanzi test chete apapa. Ukangoona pakanzi test chete. Test. It simply means chinhu chekutanga urikutanga nekuita sei? Urikutanga nekunyora hypothesis. We need hypothesis. Now hypothesis and alternative what? Alternative hypothesis. Are we together? In this case, what is our now hypothesis and alternative hypothesis? Question area test at the 5% level of significance if there is a significant difference in the mean execution times of the 3 search algorithms. Are we together? So our hypothesis here, MA is equals to mu B, which is equals to mu C. That's our what? That's our now hypothesis. We are assuming kuti zvese zviri chii, zvese zviri equal. Are we together? So the alternative hypothesis, which means kuti kanapa we are assuming kuti zvese zviri equal. The alternative hypothesis, it simply means the opposite of what? Of the now hypothesis. Andika ndokuti hypothesis isakunetse. Chingoziva these things, they are opposite of each other. Panapa ukati they are equal, which means kuti panapa they are no longer chii, they are no longer equal. Are we together? So the now hypothesis here is at least one mean differs. Andika trikuti zonizo at least one mean of the three iri kuita sei, iri kusiyana neimwe, because toda kutesta kuona kuti is there a significant difference. Yes, let's start much. Andika takreata chii, takreata my hypothesis edu. Now what's the next step? The next step takuda kuita chii, a decision row. Andika toda kuita a decision row, but tisataita a decision row ngatimbone kuti padata redu rese tine chii. We have alpha which is equal to 0.05. Are we together? We have what? We have critical value. Critical value yedu, remember, taita sei, taitaga kuseri kwego yatubuditsira chii 3.83. Are we together? We have what? So these are the two values atiri chii atinawo pachii pa this thing. Tine critical value ne chii ne alpha yedu. Anditika. So tada kupa manje a conclusion. But are we rejecting or we are not rejecting? Anditika. Yes, let's go on. The value of what? We are using the value of P. We are using the value of F where the value of the average by 270. Our F value 274.59. This is our what? This is our F value. Yatita say yatatsvaga. Kana kuti you can use the P value yatantaka P1 nechi ne question yedu. Let's go on to our question. The P value, we're given the P value. The P value in the diagram. The P value in the diagram. The P value is equal to 9.61 10 to the power negative 11. Between the two, anditika iwewe munhu unotsvaga value unoita sei yaunoda kushandisa, but zvese zvinongobudisa the what, the same answer. I prefer kushandisa the what, the F value, because taita sei tagara tamutsvaga taona kuti F value yedu njani, but it's just the same. Unokwanisa kushandisa kuti chii, unokwanisa kushandisa P value, which is equals to, therefore takuenda kunopa conclusion yedu yokuti zvonizo 274.59 is greater than 3.83. Anditika, which means kuti zvonizo F value yedu yatawana from the F test yedu yaita ihombe kune chii, kune the critical value. Therefore takutoziva kuti we are what, we are reject H not because of the chi, because my values edu abuda akaita sei akasiyana and a big difference. Saka we are rejecting the what, we are rejecting the F not. Conclusion manje, conclusion anditika, there is a strong significant difference. There is a strong significant difference. There's a strong significant difference at the 5% level. 5% at the 5% level, that the mean execution times is, there's a strong significant of the 5% level that the mean execution times of the three search algorithms of the three search algorithms differing. Andika takupa manje conclusion yedu yechii, conclusion yedu from the what, from the question. Apa tangopa conclusion yekuti we are rejecting, but tangopa the final conclusion based on the what, on the question yedu, kuti question yedu yati chii, that's the conclusion yatu yachita say tichipa panapa. Moving on to the next question. All right, anzi kuri kunzi ndashandisa p, what do I do? Wagara utoziya kutoti p uyi number yako yagara itori chii, itori hombe kudhara, so uri kuenda ungonopa the same what, the same conclusion. P value is greater than what? Is greater than 3.83. Therefore, we reject H naught. There is no need yekuti calculate the p value because p value yako already inotopoa itori chii, inotopoa itori hombe kudhara. So there's no need yekuti uite stress yekuti saka how do I calculate this p value, ndione the numerical value yacho kuti ichi. There's no need, urutongochanda naye kudhara because inotongopewa itori chii, itori hombe.